Hi and welcome in this short video where we're going to go over the importing LOC file procedures between the legacy version and the newest versions of FieldGenius. Here you can see FieldGenius legacy, and I'm using the project called metric geoid localization. When I'm doing an import of the LOC file between legacy and the newest build of FieldGenius, I need to check first the coordinate system that I'm using. In this case, this file is using the UTM-83-11 horizontal system, and then for the vertical one, I'm using the BC one here, as you can see. After confirming that, I would like to check the parameters of my GNSS local transformation. Over here, I can see all the values that should be imported over to the newest build of FieldGenius. Now, let's jump over to the newest build of FieldGenius. The one that I'm currently using, it's 3.3.10876, and the file that I've created, I made sure that it has the exact same coordinate system and the exact same vertical system, as you can see here. To start importing an LOC file, you'll need to navigate to project data, and inside there, you'll see the GNSS local transformation. You need to click this, and it'll bring you over to this menu. As you can see here, there is an Import LOC File button. Click it. Browse this device, and I've already pre-selected the location of where my LOC file is. This is the exact same LOC file that the FieldGenius legacy is using. And for you, it would be wherever you have saved it, or probably inside your FieldGenius legacy folder. Now, I would like to import it, so I'm just going to open the file. And I already see the values that I am going to be getting into this project from this import. I have my translate north value, my translate east, height, and rotation value. And height, the scale is at 1. I can start comparing these values right away. So I'm just going to drag this over, and we can see here that the translate north, translate east, rotation and scale, and translate height are the exact same. I can drag FieldGenius, the newest build here at the bottom, so you guys can see yourself, but these values are matching. Maybe a little bit lower so you can see the translate height there, 324.376, 324.376. I will apply this, click OK, and now I'll also be able to see the origin north and origin east values. So I'll drag this a little bit lower, and you can see that these values are matching between both versions. Again, while you're doing this, please make sure that the settings between both versions are matching. Otherwise, you might notice some differences in the values that you're getting. Another thing to look out for, it's also the parameters that you're using. Using feet using feet in one project, and using meters on the other will lead to differences in the way that these numbers are displayed in the newest version versus the legacy version. But that is kind of obvious. It's just something that you need to look out for. That is about it. Thank you very much.